Hi everyone and welcome to RollerSkillz. My name is Danielle Lockwood and I'm a professional roller skater, creator and coach. Today we're going to be talking about the stagger position and why it should be your best friend. So this is a stagger position. I'll do it to the side so you can see a little bit better. So what happens with our stagger position is it simply increases our surface area, making it a way more stable and secure position to roll in, to skate in, and especially with outdoor skating, there are so many uneven, bumpy, and unknown surfaces, and it is always best to roll over them with a stagger position. So come into your home base position for me. It sounds super simple, but actually you wanna make sure that it is solid. So we're gonna split those legs. That is number one. So I always like to think of this as staying on your train tracks. What I mean by this is, first of all, it's not too wide. Second of all, it's not crossed. I honestly can never film a video without a siren going off outside the window. Another thing I mean by staying on your train tracks is keeping your feet parallel and pointing in the same direction. So I always say, imagine you have two little arrow stickers on the tips of your toes. You want them to be pointing in the same direction. It's really common that the back foot likes to point outwards, which means when you're rolling, it will just get wider and so much harder for you to control. So keep those feet pointing in the same direction, pointing forward, stay on your train tracks. So we can also talk about the split. So as a guideline, you want to have a gap in between your skate. I kind of imagine that it's about one skate's worth in between my legs. Anything more turns into a lunge, and anything less, then it's just not enough. As a general rule, you either have both legs bent in your stagger or both legs straight. Probably not one or the other. It's good to have 50-50 weight distribution. Something I notice with my students is that sometimes when we're rolling in our stagger, the back foot likes to creep in towards the front foot. So try not to let that happen. Stay strong in that stagger and tell your feet who is boss. Just as a recap, we want our toes pointing in the same direction. We don't want it too wide or too narrow. We want a nice amount of a split. We want 50-50 weight distribution. It's even a good idea just to do a few stagger switches just to get used to the positioning. And you can try it with a roll whenever you like. I hope you've learned something in this video. I hope that it has helped you to unlock this new position. Definitely try it on your next skate practice and see how safe and secure you feel with it. If this did help and you learned something, please be sure to like, subscribe and share. I also have full online classes and tutorials over on the Patreon, so go ahead and check them out. Stay up to date on all of my socials, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.